Yeah, how's going on, everyone? In this video I'm going to show you the newest phone that I have bought. It's the Note 8. No, it's not. It's the iPhone X. This is not. So we got a new phone here. We got the Google Pixel 2 XL. So when you purchase a smartphone, you get a case included. So this is a really good case. I just saw it. It's a really nice one. So it's from Google directly. It's a nice case, so it's soft and yeah, fine. So let's get ahead and unbox this beast, because they mocked Apple all their events. So let's just see what this smartphone does. So it looks stereo speaker. I think it's a nice one. It's just black. This is also 6 GB of RAM. So let's just get started and turn this device on. But in my hands it doesn't feel as good as the others. Like the Note feels good. The iPhone feels good too, so I don't know what I'm saying. Just to see it. So Google. But this Android device is with the original Android, so I don't really like this phone. I'm just saying from the beginning, I don't like this phone because it's such a short display here, and this places though here, just for the speakers, such a big space. When you look at the Note, it has such a big screen, and when you look at the iPhone, it has a big screen too. So I don't know. Let's get started. I'm gonna skip it. Skip anyway. So here we are. Look at these waves moving. That's a good display. Display is fine, really. I'm not saying anything. So the display is really, really fine. So about phone, it has Android 8.0. That means that the Oreo is built on it. So yeah, in my opinion, I know a lot of tech YouTubers said this is the most unique smartphone and the best of all, but I don't really can compare the smartphone from the Note and the iPhone X. Just to unlock this iPhone. So I really, I don't know. I'd rather use Note, because I always use just Android devices, but I definitely will use Note more than this Google Pixel. So what do we got in the Google Pixel 2 XL? This smartphone has 12 megapixel camera, 4 GB of RAM. I thought it was 6, but it has 4. Sorry for that fake informations. It has a 3520 milliampere of battery, and I don't see anything new or better option sets in the Note, because Android devices, but I will try it and I will see. I will make a test of the camera and some kind of stuff like this, but just if you want to watch more, please subscribe to this channel, and I'll make more videos. So thanks for watching and stay tuned on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Help me make more videos. So what do you think? Comment down below. Which smartphone will you use on your daily drive? So is it the Google Pixel 2 XL, the Note, or the iPhone? I don't know. Comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.